Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to switch account on ByBit in the app version. Let's get started. First, log in on ByBit app. ByBit now offers users the convenience of switching between the various accounts effortlessly using the account switch function. On the ByBit app, you will be able to switch between your accounts in 3 different ways. Method 1. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the home page and click on your username. This will open the account switch menu, allowing to access the account of your choice. Method 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner on the home page and scroll down to the end of the page. If you have the old version, you will see the account switch tab where you can select the account you want to open. Method 3. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner again of the home page and open the Subaccount page. You will see the account switch tab where you can select the account you want to open. Tap More. If you are not able to locate one of your subaccounts, it is possible that the account switch feature is not enabled for that particular subaccount. To enable it, open the subaccount, tap by clicking on the profile picture in the top left corner, select subaccount, and tap on the More button of the relevant subaccount. Open the settings and ensure the level for account switch is activated. Account switch is not available for custodial trading subaccounts, frozen subaccounts, or when the account switch of login permission is toggled off. If you log into your subaccount directly via the login page, you will not be able to switch back to the main account. If you have switched and stayed on your subaccount for 30 days or more, you will not be able to switch back to your main account. Please log out from your subaccount and log into your main account again. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.